So today we're gonna be repairing a broken shower base. It's a fiberglass shower base. So hopefully I got all the stuff that I needed. And the total came out to be total is just see it, might be able to not see it here, but it says $143.57. I might have got a couple extra things just to make sure I'm not missing anything. But here it is. Here we go. Okay, here we are. This bathroom. What we got today is this. There's a crack right here. Somehow the when the tenant stepped in here, the floor cracked. This is about 5 years old, and normally heard of reports that should last for 20 years, and at best guess, but this one just happened to crack. So we're gonna go through repairing this to get it back to the way it was before. Hey everybody, so we're here with the shower. The shower walls are in good condition. Just the base is cracked from something. So to start, we're cleaning the area, and to clean the area, I use this light. This light kills bacteria in the air, so this will be one of the steps to clean it. The other step to clean it is I'm going to use some cleaning supplies all over the area here. I'm going to separate out all the supplies for the different steps that we're going to be doing. Okay. Alright, hi everybody, we're back. So I got the supplies out of the bags basically. So I just want to separate these. Might have got some extra, just didn't want to get too little. So anyway, separating this out in a few different steps. First step is kind of cleaning. So got the fan for ventilation, and then I used first this to clean kind of bacteria in the air, and then we'll be cleaning the tub with this and bleach, and then put some protection on, wipes, more wipes, and gloves, garbage bag. So then this next part will be to drill into the base and secure it. So that we'll use this drill, and we'll use the great stuff to fill in the holes. And then after that's all secure, then we'll be patching the actual crack over there. And because it's kind of a big crack, we're going to be using, got multiple stuff here. So this is the main fiberglass cloth. I just got a couple of these small ones too, just in case. Some epoxy, Bondo, fiberglass resin, and this other hardener to mix in. So after that's all put on, got these tools to spread it in with, and then I got, this is the final coat, I hope. Then just got these extra tools just in case. Hi everybody, I'm back and just about done cleaning the base of the shower. I put some bleach in here just to do some extra cleaning, and as you know, with bleach, more contact time it has on the surface, the cleaner it gets. So just leaving that on there for a little bit, and just so as you can see, the water goes down the drain, and it doesn't look like there's any holes or anything, so that's in good. The drain looks like it's in good shape, even though it wasn't really puttied that well, but it's keeping its seal. Okay, hi, we're back, and next, so we completed cleaning. Everything is pretty clean now. Next step is we're gonna drill in there and put the filler to stabilize this so it's not weak. So that's the next step. Okay, hey, I'm back, giving next update. So, drilled a couple holes and then figured, as long as I'm drilling holes, drill a few more to make it more stable for the future. And I put a little splash of bleach there just to clean out that area. Hey guys, here, so filled in most of the spots here and does feel firmer here. Now I'll try to put some more here, but it does feel a lot more solid. And yeah, you should wear gloves using this filler, but I didn't. Alright, so all these holes are filled. All the holes are filled, and then give a few minutes for it to dry, and then scrape off the excess in the next step. Hey everybody, I'm back. I'll give you an update. So here we're waiting for the foam to dry. Walk in here for a second. See that it's more firm. Yeah, there's a little bit of good, but you know that's how it should be, I think. Well, it's not too falling out. This is some of the garbage so far. So as we're waiting for that, so the next step is we're gonna sand down the holes and the crack. After the crack sand down, then we put this 2-part epoxy around the holes and the crack. Then we sand down the whole base with 180 grit. And so first grit is more rough, 80 grit. So that's the next step. Hey everybody, I'm back. So what we've done so far on the last steps were after the holes were filled and then sanded off, then after it was smooth, then we applied the epoxy, the 2-part epoxy. So the epoxy has to wait at least 10 minutes to dry, so we're giving it about 10 minutes to dry, and then so just waiting for those to dry to go to the next step. So the epoxy is almost dried, and while waiting for that, thought I'd talk about these next steps here. So since this shower has these grooves here for the lanes of the water, so I'm gonna cut this fiberglass cloth to size for each of these, just to give it some more strength, even though the main issue was on this side, and I just reinforced that side just in case. But over here, as long as I got this and I'm doing this, I'm just going to do it on each section. So again, just to reinforce it, using fiberglass cloth and mixed with the fiberglass resin. And after that, we'll be doing the Bondo. This guy. So now we got the resin with the pieces all in there, waiting for that to dry. Here we are, day 2. So all those earlier steps, it took about 7 hours. And so now that this resin should be pretty dry now, let me tap it with something. It's so it's sticky, but it's basically dry. So next part is to sand it down with an 80 grit sandpaper. Then we do then we're gonna put this Bondo hardener on there, and combination of this Bondo. So you can see there's resin on the top. It dries pretty quick, so you want to do this fairly fast. Try to do it at an angle so you can see there's nothing hurt. So this is a little tube that came with the Bondo hardening cream. This guy, so I'm using this to scoop it out, and I put a good, one of the big spots, a few good big spoonfuls. Then the same chalk I used earlier to spread the stuff yesterday, cleaned it off, and I'm using it again. If your floor doesn't have this, use water guides. It's going to be a lot easier. You don't have to worry about that, but mine, you have to take those into account, so be a little bit more delicate. Basically mixing it in place. give you a quick look at what I'm doing now. So sanded this with the smooth 180 grit paper on the top. It's gonna be a little rough, but that's actually okay, I think, because then it'll be like a non-slick surface. And then so I'm doing the top coat and using this brush because not too much of a fan of the spray paint, even though it would do a good job, but there's lots of issues with spray paint. Okay, here we are, almost finished. Just waiting for it to dry. So do some extra caulk, caulk, special stuff as needed. And then this is the new paired shower base. So this have to wait for this to harden at least a week or so.
Okay.
So testing out this new floor is stable.
It does look very stable. I want to walk on it too. I like how it's actually more.
Yeah, it's much more firm now. Here, we'll let you go.
Let me do my walk. Oh wow, wow! It is pretty stable.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to sand this because it's kind of rough in here. Fine,
Okay.
give me the